Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who and I'm back with another video. Thank y'all for kicking it with your boy Q. Today, guys, y'all can see your boy Q fresh off of work, man. But you know what? I decided to make a quick video for y'all. Of course, we got red here behind us, so y'all can see. So I want to do a video today on how much it's gonna cost you to get your truck to look somewhat like my truck here. And I know this isn't everyone's vision for their truck, which is fine. Everybody got their own taste, own style. But for those who ask me and wonder the setup and how much it costs, I figured I'd just go ahead and run down a quick price just to look. So this is not including performance or my horn blaster kits or anything like that. This is just to get the truck to look outside visually like this. So here we go. So y'all see your boy Q with the skinny jeans on. You see what I'm saying? The shirt. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, bro. This is actually pre-COVID stuff that I'm wearing. So your boy losing weight, man. I can actually fit into this now. So I'm excited about that for sure. But anyway, let's jump to what this video is about. So my truck is a 2015 XLT 3.5 EcoBoost. It is a sport edition, so that's why you see it paint to match. When I mean paint to match, my door handles are the same color, my bumper's the same color, as well as my front bumper here is the same color. I did add the mirror caps. I did it on my own because they're black when it comes from the factory. So I'm on a 6-inch rough country coilover lift kit. Now I bought my lift kit just the 6-inch rough country kit. I later added the rough country vortex coilover. So I looked the price up on this currently on rough country site. So this actually surprised me. The coilovers were about $1,300. The lift kit alone was only $1,100. So $1,300 for the coilovers, $1,100 for the lift kit, which surprised me. You're looking at $2,500 just to get the truck lifted, guys, which isn't bad, and which is why a lot of people choose to go rough country coilover, because they are pretty budget friendly, I'll be honest with you. And I had my kit now for 5 years and haven't had any issues with my rough country lift kit. Now, if you just want to start off like me and only do the lift kit, guys, and not the coilovers, you definitely can do that, which is what I did. So instead of spending $2,500, you take off the $1,300 for the coilovers and you get the number you're looking at. Now, if we move on to tires here, so I'm on a 37 13.5 24 Nitto Recon grappler, guys. So this is a pretty new tire by Nitto. It is an all-terrain tire. I love them so far. The price of these tires is about $760 each. So for a set of 4, you're looking at $3,200 just for the tires. And to be honest with you, everything I'm about to tell y'all, that is the most expensive thing on my truck. It's kind of funny going back and doing the math now. I didn't know that the tires would be the most expensive thing on my truck. You think it would be something else, but it's not. Along with the tires, I do have some TIS 547B and a 24 by 12 inch wheel. So this wheel cost me, before shipping and all that, I think it was about 22, what did I put on my phone? I put $2,400, but it's gonna vary depending on where you buy the wheel from. So about $2,400 for the wheel. Moving along to the back here, I did add some Fox 2.0 series shocks to my truck, guys. And the price I got these for was about $650, $700 through my guy, a buddy of mine, hooked me up with a good deal, but usually they go for about $800. Next, we're gonna talk about my tint on my truck. So if y'all know, you haven't watched the videos lately, I did just get my truck re-tinted for the second time. So my front windshield is fully tinted, and that cost me $250 just for the windshield. Now I know it's probably seen pricey for y'all, but I'm a big believer in quality. You get what you pay for when it comes to certain things. So I was willing to pay the price because I know it's a great product. And if you look at the rest of the back of the truck here, the other windows tinted, I don't recall how much I paid because it's been so long, but generally to get 4 windshield tinted, it usually costs anywhere between $150 to $200. So you're looking at about $400, $450 just for a tint alone. Next, we're gonna move to the front of the truck, and y'all probably can't see, but I'm gonna try to put a clip right there for y'all to see. I do have Morimoto headlights on my truck, guys. And again, I did work with the company to kind of get a discounted price on these. So I did not pay the full price. I paid about $15, I think, for these, $1,500, but they usually go anywhere between like $1,700 to $2,000, bro, just for the headlights. But I do love the Morimoto headlights. They are very, very bright. And I personally think they're worth the money. If you get you a set, you understand what I'm saying. Next, we're gonna go back here. I did also upgrade to some OEM LED taillights. Since my truck is an XLT version, it does not come with OEM LED taillight. It comes with the stock halogen taillight. So I found these actually on Facebook Marketplace from a seller, guys, and I got the pair for about $700, which is pretty good, because now OEM taillights are going for about $900 to $1,000 just for some taillights. And if you have a truck like mine, XLT, which doesn't come with the harness. You have to buy the harness, which is like another 150, 180 bucks just to get the harness. But so total, you're looking at about $850, we're just gonna say, for the tail lights. And last but not least, we're gonna discuss the amp power steps. I do have amp power running boards down here. If you don't know what that is, I'll go ahead and show y'all here really quick. That's basically when I open the truck, the steps come down, which allow you to step up a little easier, which is very, very much needed with the truck being this tall. Excuse me, can't talk. Now, those amp power running boards were probably like the second or third most expensive thing, which is crazy. But they go for about, with labor, with price and install, you're looking at about $2,000 for those running boards, guys. So all in all, with that being said, how much do you think it's gonna cost to get your truck look like this? If you add our numbers all up, I already did the math. I think I got it somewhere in the ballpark. So right now, comment below what you think. I'm waiting. I'm gonna wait. All right. So you're looking at $13,600 just to get your truck to look like what you're seeing here in front of you guys. When you see these trucks rolling down the road, man, I know they may look very, very simple. Like it looks like a very simple build, right? It's just wheels, tires, and a lift kit. But man, this stuff adds up pretty quickly. And that's not even adding my exhaust system. That's not adding my horn blaster, train horn kit. That's not including my lighting. You see I got the wheel lights down here. That's not including that. That's not including the cat skin leather seats that I put in. That's not including any performance that I've done to the truck. That's literally just to get the truck to look like this. If I had to guess, after adding all that stuff, I'm already close to about $18,000 into the truck. I would have to say 18 and 19, somewhere in there. It can get pretty expensive. It's a pretty expensive hobby. Now, as I was saying earlier, you don't have to use the exact same products and brands that I'm using. Of course, Nitto is a great tire. They are a little more costly. Of course, Morimoto's are a great headlight, but they are a little more costly. There's more cost-efficient versions. TIS wheels, you don't have to get TIS wheels. You can get other wheels, like I said, Archon. I don't know if I said it, but those chrome wheels y'all see everybody running, especially forged wheels, bro, they like $5,000 just for the wheels, which is insane. I did look into some chrome wheels. I'm like, I'm not spending $5,000 on wheels. I'm sorry. You don't have to do everything I did on this truck. You do not. A lot of y'all been asking me, you know, about the truck and how much things cost and things like that. So if you want to build your truck, you can definitely do it at a cheaper cost. That's just what I've done to mine. So it's kind of loud when I say it out loud. I can't believe I actually spent that much money on this truck, bro. And I'm thinking about selling it. I must be crazy. And I ain't even talking about the BDS control arms. Those BDS upper control arms, the red y'all see in there, that was about another $800, bro. So I guess I'll say this to finish this video off. Before you go out and spend a whole bunch of money on stuff like this, bro, make sure you got your finances and debt in order. When I started building this truck, I had no debt. This was my gift to myself for working so hard through the years to become debt-free. And so this was my gift to myself, was this truck. And that's why I do what I do to it. To be honest with you, bro, this may be considered cheap to some of the bills you really see. Joey said he put over $40,000 in his truck, but he said mostly was performance. So I ain't gonna make this video too much longer. It's your boy Q. Appreciate y'all for watching. Come kicking it with your boy. I'll catch y'all next, baby. Peace.